In this video, we are going to see the instruction called MOVX A comma at of RI. So this instruction has a unique term called X, which is introduced in this instruction. In previous instruction, we have been utilized any X term introduced in the instruction itself. So here this instruction states that move X A comma at of RI. So X represents the data will be processed between external memory location which is connected to 8051. So for example, move X A comma at of R2. We know that at of R2 means what? R2 will be having a memory location where the data will be stored. Okay, so there is no change in that. The value in R2 will be considered as a external memory address of the data in previous instructions and all. So whatever the R2 is holding, that will be considered as an internal memory address of the data, but in this case we will be considering it as an external memory address of the data. So data from that memory address pointed by R2 will be loaded to A register. So simple example, say suppose R2 is 55. So this will be considered as the address of the data, but only difference is this 55 is not from the internal memory location of 8051. This 55 is coming from external memory location of the 8051. Okay. So now from that memory location the data will be processed and it will be moved to A register. So after this instruction is executed, R2 will be equal to 55. That means this is an external memory. This external memory will be having a 23. So that value will be loaded into A register. So the difference is only we are dealing with external memory location. Previous instruction we will be dealing with internal memory location. So external memory location means nothing. We will be having a separate IC, memory IC, which is connected to 8051. So another one is MOVX A comma at of DPTR. This is also dealing with external memory location. Only thing was previous instruction deals with 8-bit memory address. This instruction dealing with 16-bit memory address. So DPTR will be utilized for holding the 16-bit external memory address of the data. So this is what happens. Suppose DPTR is having 4100. So 4100 will be considered as the address of the data. Noted, it is an external memory location. So that if that memory location is having a value 23, so that will be processed to A register. So like that, after the execution of the instruction, we will be having a value of 23. That means A value has been fetched from external memory location data.